Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. Today's model is a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Come around to the back here. 4MATIC, C300, and Mercedes badging. And very unique blackout badging with the 4MATIC and the C300. Very fun. Trunk space. Rear seats. We look at the sunroof. And a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we have heated seats for both driver and passenger side, as well as memory seats for the driver's side. You can see the driver seat controls here, driver door controls, driver's seat, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage is currently at 32,106, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera. There's the radio, backup camera, and climate control. Got it right here. Our center console. And shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.